right, Chris, so we're out here in the production zone where you guys actually go to the trouble to dyno test every single engine that you build.
Yep.
There's a lot of engines around here, and also I'm looking at a lot of dyno cells. So now, I've heard the story. You've said you guys dyno all the engines you build. Like, what are we talking about here? How many engines are we talking about?
We typically dyno about 80 engines a day.
80 a day?
A day.
Wow.
We've done more than that, but that's about what we average.
And how many engines do you build that go out and you just go, ah, it's good enough, we don't need to dyno test it?
No engine leaves here without being dyno tested.
Every single engine?
Every single engine we build gets dyno tested. The caveat being, if it doesn't get cylinder heads and it's a short block,
obviously,
we don't dyno
sure.
test
Yeah,
it.
but if you build a complete engine, it's not leaving unless you run it.
That's right.
So man, I'd love to be the guy selling you guys gas.
Yeah, we buy a lot of gas. I think we buy about 5,000 gallons of 91 octane every year.
Okay, so now, oh, go ahead, Billy.
No, you wanted to be the gas salesman. I want to be your oil filter salesman.
I was just about to say, so like there's a lot of things that you check in the dyno test. What about after the dyno test?
Yeah, after the dyno test, we 100% check all the engines for any leaks.
Okay.
So they get a dye put in the engine, and then we've got an ultraviolet light. We go around, we inspect each engine, and we do 100% inspection on every oil filter that goes on every single engine we run.
Cut it apart, somebody looks at it, says, yep, that's good.
Yeah, and it's not just somebody, it's a person from our quality control team.
Yeah. The other thing I want to point out is when you're doing your dyno testing, we got to watch you do some. This is not like, okay, it started, yeah, it took trial. You're actually looking at hundreds of parameters. They got to make the right power, they got to make the right oil pressure, they got to have all the stuff's got, it's not just a, yes, it runs. It's not a run stand. We're literally dyno testing.
Yeah, that's right, and it's an automated dyno test. So the operator can't just decide if something's good.
Okay.
It's an automated test where they push start. It goes through various load profiles until it finally does a couple final sweeps for the full profile, and then it's going to tell the operator whether or not something's out of spec.
Okay.
Yeah, and this isn't anything where you go super hot oil, ice the intake, and make a glory run.
No glory run.
No glory runs. But these are like real condition runs.
That's right. That's right.
That is awesome.
Really cool.
This is Chris Larson, Vice President of Engineering and Quality with BluePrint Engines, signing off. Thanks for watching this behind-the-scenes look at how we test engines here at BluePrint Engines. Every engine we build is dyno tested, inspected, and verified before it leaves our facility, so you can buy with confidence. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exclusive looks inside of BluePrint Engines. We'll see you in the next video.